turn key to position 1, turn ignition key to position 1 like this. If the odometer appears on the clock, then just press this 3 times. Okay, then press this button and you see the service menu. Then press this one until you come to a confirmation which is highlighted. Then press this button. So full service, cancel service, cancel single. So then press this button, yes. Service not confirmed because I have just done the receipt, but this is the right procedure, you need to do it. So then press this button again. Okay, then you will have this on the message screen. Then go to additional work, then press this and you will have service 3 highlighted. So then press B again, this. So standard oil or whatever oil you have put. If you have put genuine Mercedes-Benz oil, then you can move it up and down with this button. So I have put standard oil and then press this one again. So item confirmed. Then press this button again until you reach to an option which the message screen reads the odometer reading, and then turn ignition back off and oil service reset has done.